Bathrooms can definitely make or break a renovation. And I've always said that whether you're building a house to live in or whether you're doing an investment to sell later on down the line, you've got to give your home an edge. Give it a leading edge that just basically outdoes the house next door that's for sale. And that can be things like perceived luxuries. It can be things like automation or things of convenience. But for me, well, I'm creating this home for us to live in, certainly for a while anyway. And I've got all out with things like technology and AI-driven tech and apps and insulation and this whiz-bang heating and cooling system. But there's one thing which I didn't do in my previous renovation, which I'm definitely doing this time, and that is underfloor heating in my bathroom, an absolute game changer. The whole industry has changed over the years. This one thing alone can add so much value to your house, and it's exactly what we're doing today. This is looking good. Hey Rick.
Hey,
Hi
Walt.
mate.
Nice to see you again.
Good to see you. Welcome to Kilmore.
Thank you. It's a beautiful area.
It's pretty beautiful, isn't it? Well, Rick is a mate of mine, and you're with one of Australia's leading underfloor heating companies. You're called Coldbuster, and you and I have worked together for maybe like a decade. I put you in all the houses that we do. You've been on our TV shows and things, and today I get to have you in my own place.
And we're very excited about that.
Me too. It's a game changer.
Yes.
Underfloor heating, like you have this thing where it's 1% of the people seem to put it in their house.
1% of people, we estimate, put it in their homes, but we know just about everyone loves it. That simple math means 99% of people love floor heating, but never even consider it for their projects.
Why?
It's just a lack of awareness, misconceptions out there. So we find all we have to do is ensure everyone can consider floor heating, get a proper quote, room by room for every room they're doing their project.
It used to be perceived as, well, it is a luxurious thing. It was perceived as being quite expensive, but as with everything, technology has come such a long way these days. And now, I mean, it is so affordable. I'm just really annoyed at myself. I didn't do it throughout the whole house.
That's right.
So really,
that's exactly right. So there's several misconceptions. One you've alluded to, it's a luxury item, so it must be expensive.
Yeah.
But it is not expensive. It used to be. It's retained its luxury image, but the cost is low. As an example, most bathrooms are under $1,000, well under $1,000.
And the one thing I love about your product in particular is that, I mean, in Victoria, it's got to be installed by a licensed electrician, but around Australia, for the most part, I can do this myself.
But it has got to be one of the simplest things to do on a work site.
Well, it's like rolling out a rug.
That's right.
But obviously the Sparky has to provide the proper power connection and then connect it when it's done.
Absolutely, every time.
But for the sake of paying him a few hours just to get this done, you're only rolling it out yourself, right?
That's right. It's not just for, say, cold tiles. It's for just about every flooring surface. Under tiles, most timbers, vinyls, and laminates. Under carpet.
Have you ever put your toes on tiles when it's been heated on a frosty winter morning? It just feels like you're winning at life.
But it's also for in screed and also in slab if you're doing polished concrete. Yeah. Because it's the heat, the room heating the floor is the bonus.
Yeah.
And this is our under tile heater, so it goes directly under the tiles.
And then that tile puts the glue straight on top of that.
That's right.
And then the tile straight on top of that.
That's right. So another great thing about floor heating is it doesn't change any of the services that come before us or after us.
So a big thing for me, Rick, as you know, with this build has been trying to add smart technology to the build and home automation and be able to schedule things, and, just to help me achieve a more energy efficient house for a start, and also just have that control over it. So you now offer Wi-Fi modules.
That's right. It's becoming more and more popular. People want to be able to control thermostats from their phones like most other smart devices. And this way you can program them all together if you have separate thermostats for separate rooms or individually.
So underfloor heating, whether that's under tiles, whether it's in slab, it's under screed, under carpet, under floorboards, even under your rugs, there is a specifically engineered solution for almost any flooring heating solution from Coldbuster. And I've worked with this company on and off for about 11 years now. And they're such a lovely company to deal with. So my advice as a renovator to you is to just go and get a quote for all your rooms to get done first, and then you can kind of work back from there and choose which rooms. You probably do all of them, but you can choose which rooms you'd like to prioritize to get this installed into. Super helpful. It's a free quote, and they're just not pushy, they're not too salesy, and they'll just leave you alone and let you make a decision with your quote. It's all done online at coldbuster.com.au.